And is there ever a need when you're bringing on a new shareholder or a new equity partner to change your business structure, and are there tax consequences of doing that?
Well, what I've sort of spoken about to this point is I've assumed a company is involved, but if you don't have a company, then there probably is a need to amend your structure. So, for example, if you're a sole trader and you're looking to bring on board a partner, you would need to either form a partnership or incorporate to offer shares. So there may well be a need to restructure just depending upon your current structure. There's also, complicated trust structures and things like that you might want to simplify and make it easier to bring on board a partner or, a minority shareholder. Definitely it's a each case scenario type of thing. And you definitely should get advice from your accountant and your lawyer on that to set up, if you are restructuring, set it up properly, and whether that ends up being a company or a partnership or what have you. A company provides those two levels of control, a directorship and a shareholdership, whereas a partnership is just a partnership. Yep. So, it will depend what you're looking for, and what's going to be best for you. And regarding tax implications, when you do restructure, it is really a sale of the business to a different entity. So if you're a sole trader and you're looking to incorporate, you need to transfer that business to the new entity. A business is a capital asset. It will attract capital gains tax and a very high level non-accountant advice. Definitely get some accounting advice. But there are restructure rollover reliefs available, particularly for capital gains tax for small businesses. So definitely get your accountant's advice on whether you would qualify for that. But that would be a typical scenario when you're looking to restructure from a sole trader to a company, and you're a small business for the purpose of bringing on board a new partner, then that might be a genuine restructure, and there is a CGT rollover relief available if your main purpose isn't to try and avoid tax. But definitely get an accountant's advice, but there may be a need to restructure, and there may also be available some CGT concessions to allow you to do that without having to pay capital gains tax on that.